This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your channel shows no active strikes, copyright claims, or policy warnings. Those cause visibility loss. Next, inspect the exact shorts that tanked. Open YouTube Studio, filter shorts, and note drop times and analytics so you know which uploads triggered the issue. Once done, immediately remove or privatize suspect shorts that reuse content or violate rules, and prepare replacement clips with fresh, vertical 9/16 framing and unique footage to prevent repeat penalties. You now focus on repairing content signals that influence the algorithm. Re-edit any flagged short, swap the audio, add original footage, and create a fresh thumbnail. These changes help the system relearn the clip as original. Then update metadata. Rewrite titles for intent, include 3 to 5 precise tags, and a description that clarifies value. Once those are ready, re-upload or unlist and republish in staggered intervals to test which variation restores impressions and click-through rate. You finish by actively monitoring recovery metrics for about 72 hours. Watch impressions, CTR, and audience retention to confirm improvement. If you believe a wrongful suppression occurred, file an appeal through YouTube Studio, include exact timestamps and a concise explanation, and avoid repeated appeals without new evidence. If progress stalls, pivot your strategy. Shift to varied shorts formats, post at different times, and ask your community to re-engage. This helps rebuild signals and reduces reliance on any.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.